In this video, I'm going to detail how to create a section view in Onshape. When we go to create a new drawing, we can always right-click on the Part Studio tab, say Create New Drawing, choosing ANSI B. I'm going to go ahead and say No Views on this one. I'm going to place some very selected views for this shape. I don't need 4 views as in a top, front, right side isometric. So I'm going to choose the one that I want. For example, this is not exactly the front that I would like to have, nor is it really the scale that I want it to be. So from here, I can change the view orientation. As this loads, I really want to see the front view as being this side, even though it's labeled as right. This is how I kind of want it to be shown. I'll go ahead and click to set this view in. When I go to project, I'm going to project the isometric view, and I'm not going to project the right side view because I'm going to create a section view for that right side view. Making some of the edits to my ISO as shown in previous videos. And here's what's going to end up happening. So I'm going to create a full section view. So if you look up here, the section view button right here shows the cutting plane lines with the arrows. When I click on it, it's going to ask me what type do I want to create. Do I want a vertical, horizontal, or angular? We're going to be working with a vertical bar because if you look, here's our line. There it ends up being, here's the cutting plane line. And when you start to get over near some different features, it will actually expand this cutting plane line. So you see as I got to the middle, expands the lines. I'm going to go ahead and click directly in the center. Depending upon which direction I place, the section view will be which directions the cutting plane arrows will face. I'm going to use that as the right side view, and that will provide the section view. Pretty easy to do that. Some other things that may be helpful will be center lines. So center lines for here, as I go to place those, here you can end up also choosing edge-to-edge center line. So this 2-point center line allows you to do a manual center line between two components. So you saw I just drew that in by using 2 points, very similar to drawing a regular line. If you want to use edge-to-edge center line, you just click on the 2 edges and it will put a center line there right in the middle. So there's just some detailing there for your drawing. As you take a look, you can have a center mark. Center marks can be placed on any of the circular features as they go around. And that's really kind of the point behind this tutorial. So center marks are able to be placed. From here, I would be able to start dimensioning this part and putting in the center lines and some of the details, but all the section view elements are in place, and this concludes the tutorial.